SMF Street Traders, here is the monthly chart on the spiders. And one of the things that we're going to point out to you as we were making that double bottom action right here on a monthly level, we had an ascending buy base come in on a monthly level. So, you know, when you look at these monthly levels, you can see where that price action came in right above that 20-month moving average. That's that red line right there. You came right up above that 10-month moving average with the follow through on that month and a breakout to the highs right now. You're above right now the spider SMF half monthly price action bar there. Now, what the upper trend line is that the spider is very bullish, and the spider made an intraday high of 116.86, closing up near the highs of the day. The last print on the spider is right here, is 116.54. Now, let us not forget that the total money flow was $307,171,639. The low of the day was slightly below the previous day's close there at 115.61, and it made the high. The thing about it is, closed up in positive territory. Another thing that it did, it made 91 highs versus 46 lows on the trading session of the day. And basically, this has paid off very well. It's part of a move that we like to trade. It's not always so much as an intraday MMT trade, but sometimes more like a position trade when you don't lose price action. And we were breaking out on a monthly level here because we were. And that's half of that last up bar right there above that, and that 10-month moving average has been rising right along it. We're at the 100-month and the 40-month. It's going to have some trouble up here at that pink line. That's that 50-month moving average. Let's move on over to the chart and take a look here at some other things so that you know what the upper trend line is, MMTs. So basically what I would like to point out to you on the spider is that we've got this major part of the trend over here. That's this half bar. That's going to be if we come up and break the yearly 2010 high, because we're up above half of this last down bar here. But that's it right here, this bar. That's at 122.81 or somewhere right in there. We'll take a look in the SMF trading platform, which has got all of the mathematical equations and charts, which are nicer than this. But nonetheless, we'll go over that on Saturday morning training, and we're going to take a look at that half bar. So basically, what I am going to say is the overhead resistance is this. That 40-month, that dark blue line has been declining. Well, that's not that great. So that 50-month up here at that top, that what's going to be resistance into what we call a monthly moving averages. That's standard technical analysis. Ours is mathematical, as you know. Your platform will have these calculated. It will have these calculated just like we do every day. So I want people to understand where that upper trend line up there comes from. This trend line right here just so happens to be that double month reversal top. That's going to be the shorter term resistance, and that's where that 50-month moving average is. If they hit a monthly buy signal, we continue to go higher, and we could break these highs. It just depends. We haven't had a monthly buy signal. That's these blue bars. Moving average convergence divergence. And if we go up above the 0 point right here, that will be a monthly buy signal. You can see what happens when they get a monthly sell signal. They go down like this, and the trends go down. And they go down hard. But now, in the trend cycle and the trend structure, MMTs is who I'm talking to here. And guess what? If we get that breakout, then those up and out of the money calls can pay. We will do this Saturday morning, but this is what we're going to work with, is this here and now, shorter term key areas, and I will see everyone on Saturday morning. Spiders in a monthly breakout pattern and a 4-month breakout pattern.